Hi guys! Tara, get ready with me! I'm going to church. Boots muna tayo. Sobrang lamig ngayon guys. I think nasa 30 degrees. Ay. Yeah, it's Sunday today. So, church. Here. So, let's see this one. Kaya? Or, ito. This one guys, nabili ko to nung wala pa akong anak. I think that was 20. I'm not sure. Baka may anak pa rin ako nun. 2016 ko yata nabili to. Think sa eBay. This is cute. Think ito na lang. Meron din tong kasamang parang fur. Pero tinanggal ko na lang. Pwede siyang tanggalin, pwede ikabit. Let's go! Bye! God bless everyone! Okay na ba ang hair?